Hey everyone, my name is Adedayo and I will be teaching you how to transpose the Korg Nautilus in 10 seconds. Let's go! The first thing you need to do is to hold the shift button and then click plus or minus. Plus takes it upward, minus takes it downwards. For example, you're playing a simple song. So let's take it up. Let's take it up again. Let's go.